Welcome once more to my channel. This is from the jury, your friend and your tutor. If this is your first time welcome to this channel, be assured that you are going to get good knowledge on how to make money from the internet. Like I have several videos about making money from the internet. This one talks about 9 profitable low competition gigs on Fiverr 2022. This one talks about Fiverr affiliate free traffic using Pinterest, and we have the CPALEAD marketing techniques for beginners too. So do well to watch these videos and get more from this channel. If you are yet to subscribe, please do well to click the subscribe button so that you can be the first to take action when I drop other videos like this on how to make money from the internet. Are you still there? Let's get started. Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how you can promote your Fiverr gig using Instagram for free. Yes, before now you must have heard about Instagram, or maybe you have an Instagram account. Do it to create one if you don't have. And if you are creating an Instagram account for the first time, it's likely possible that you're going to create an account which is a personal account, but you'll be advised to turn that personal account to a business account in order for you to track the progress of posts and the like. Do it to switch to business account. Then if you are there, you need to edit your profile. Like you see this profile right now, you see it is highly professional. You can see I'm talking about, in my bio, I'm talking about online entrepreneur, Fiverr consultant, I'm talking about SEO specialist, and I say I help newbies to earn online with little or no experience. These are professional tags or bio. So if you don't know how to write a bio, you can go to your Instagram and look for others in your niche who are having similar thing to do with you. Check their bio and just try to coin it out to make yours professional. Because when people come to your bio and look at your profile, they see that you're in for business and they want to work with you. Now, if you want to have your bio written like this, just come here, click on edit profile. When you click on edit profile, it's going to load up. Then the next thing you're going to see, you can see my name, Promise Jury. They can see the username here, Promise Jury. They can see my website here. You may be wondering why I'm putting my website this way. Like this website is called linktree/PromiseJury. Why is it like that? It's very good because in this website I can add more than 1 to 3 links to this website particularly. So let's go to that place called Linktree. If you are there, look at the website here, linktree.ae, but I call it Linktree just for short. Then if you are there, if you are new to this website, you can just come and sign up for free. When you sign up, then you can now log in. When you log in, it's going to take you to your admin page. This might be admin page right now. You can see add new link. Add new link. So if you have your Fiverr already set, look at my Fiverr account here. Don't forget, I will talk about how you can promote your Fiverr gig using Pinterest. So this is my Fiverr here right now. If you want to view it, you can just click on the edit and click on preview. When you preview, you're going to see your gig here right now. So I'm going to use this Fiverr account for this purpose, just for tutorial purpose. So let's assume this gig is I will be your lawyer for privacy and GDPR data protection policy terms and conditions. Now you want to go down, see, look at this image here. Make sure you keep this image somewhere handy so you can use it later in this tutorial. Now I'm going to talk about how you can get this link. When you open your gig, come here, see, share your gig. Click on it. Then you're going to see boost your traffic. Share your gig to grow your audience, because it's very important that you share your gig to grow your audience and engage with potential buyers and earn more trust. So here I'm going to click on copy link. Click on copy link. Then go to that spot where go to that website called Linktree. So now you're going to click on add new link. Click on add new link. It's loading. Now, here you can see the title here. See the URL. So click here, click pencil edit button. Then click on paste your URL. This is your Fiverr URL right now. Then the title. What about the title? Just go to your Fiverr again. Copy that title from Fiverr. Look at it. I will be your. Just right click or highlight and copy. I just hope everything will go in there. But if not, you can just cut some off. Click on it and look at the title here. Edit the title, and put yours. Okay, put yours. Then you see. Alright, that's it. The next one to put image so that it can look catchy. If you look at this ones here, You see the Fiverr default image here. That's not what I want. You need to put your image for it to become cached, so that when your audience sees your image and see your write-up, they feel interested in wanting to click. It becomes it becomes like a clickbait to them. So if you want to add your image, just click on this button here that says thumbnail. Click on it. Now it says add thumbnail. See, they already give us our default thumbnail as Fiverr. We don't want that. We want to put our own. So you now click on change. Then it says upload your own thumbnail. Click on upload your own thumbnail from your computer. Now click on the plus sign. But let me just go to my computer because I guess I already have one here. Go to desktop. Look at it here. I just click and move it there. Alright, it looks too big for us, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll just make it a little bit brief. Let's say privacy policy, let's say something like this. But you want to edit, you just try to make your own look to fit the page. So let's say this is what we want, or let's say this is what we want. Let's go to the center. And at least they will know it's privacy policy and terms and conditions. So when you're there, you click on save. Yes, then you click upload. Click upload. It's uploading. Now we have our thumbnail. Let's see, it's going to pop up here. Look at it here. You can see your thumbnail there right now. Then what you do, you just click on save. It's already done automatically, so you don't have to say. Look at it here. It's automatically. So what happens now? This link, you can see here, my link tree. This is my URL. So you click on share. When you click on share, it's going to give you a link to copy. Look at it here. Click on copy. Then next you go to your Instagram page, Instagram profile. Look at it here. Just come here, right click and paste. That's all. Then look at the bio. If you want to edit your bio, maybe you are a logo designer. Put on logo designer, logo tutor, logo specialist. Then the next thing you will do is click on save. That means at that time your Instagram account becomes highly professional. Look at it here. Let's see our profile right now again. Look at it. You can see our link here right now. You can see everything becomes very, very active. Then the next thing you want to do, just come to Instagram then again, because now our Fiverr gig image is not yet in Instagram. So what you do, come to Instagram again, click on this plus button, click on it. Then you will now want to upload your Fiverr gig image now. So let's go to the place where we kept it before now. Look at it here. So you click and drag and paste here. It's there already. Almost like what we had the previous one. But if you edit, you try to make sure your own fits in the size of this Instagram account. And you can do that in using Canva. If you watch my other videos, I think I've talked about how you can edit videos, edit your images with Canva. Like some of the videos here, some of the pictures here you see here, they came from Canva. Alright, try to make sure you edit this your Fiverr gig image in order to fit into this Instagram post. And you can get that done using Canva. In my other videos, I'm going to talk about how you can edit images to thumbnails using Canva. So in this place right now, click on the next button. Now you can see it here. Just click next again. Then they ask you to write a caption. You want to write a caption, you don't have to bother yourself. Just go to your Fiverr account again and scroll down. Go to your description. Go to the description. Then just say, look at this one here. I'll just pick something that makes sense. Just copy this one. Copy. Then go to your Pinterest again. Then this caption, put paste. Then you said you can count on me as I provide you documents on terms, and just I want to make sure you add hashtags to these ones so that it can get a good ranking from Instagram, so that when other people look for terms and conditions, your post will likely pop up. Not about privacy. Put hashtag, put a privacy policy there too. Look at it. So these are ways for you to make your Pinterest account rank, so that when people are looking for terms and conditions, privacy policies, your post will pop up, and that will really help them to click on your thumbnail and even drive them to your Fiverr account or Fiverr gig. It's very, very good. you have to make sure that you install, or you have to make sure that you fix this hashtag into your description, so that everyone looking for these services may likely click on your account and click on your gig link and come to your profile and come to your Fiverr account and get a purchase. That's one way you can get good traffic from Instagram for free. So you can still add more hashtags to it if you want. Like this one for business, you can put hashtag. Where is it? Let's see hashtag. Yes, hashtag business. Then you can now go down and click on share. Let's see if there's anything that you needed again. Nothing there. Just click on share. Now it's sharing. Technically, it's loading up our post or our thumbnail or picture. So practically it gets shared into the system for you. So that's it. But I don't know why they say I cannot comment it right now. I don't know, but maybe I think there's some form of glitches there. So technically you have shared your gig URL in Instagram. Let's check the ones I've done before now. Let's go back to Instagram.com again. You can see the ones I've done. Alright, so it's loading. Alright, this is my account. Let's click on profile. So you can see others I did here. Like this one, it talks about top 9. If you click on it, let's click on it, let's see what happens. You can follow the same pattern and see how you can do yours. Look at this one. It says top 9 profitable low competition high demand gigs on Fiverr. So you can see in this video I've discussed 9 low competition and high demand Fiverr gigs. Look at the gig, I put the hashtag there. Look at this, I put hashtag here. Look at this, I put hashtag here. So that's how you make your own work. So you can see I did mine right now. So, and I wrote here video link in bio. So when I go to the bio, let's go to the bio again. You can see what I'm talking about right there. If you go to the bio, look at the bio right now. So when you click on this bio, they are going to see our link. So that's when we can get your Fiverr gig promoted using Instagram. Or you can say come here and edit your Instagram account. Click on the edit button. Then just come and go to this URL, this place of URL. Just go to your Fiverr gig. Give your Fiverr gig. Click on the share button. Let's go up. Click on the share button. Then click on the copy link. Click on copy. Then go to Instagram here. Come here and paste your URL, your gig URL. When you are done, just click on the save button. Click on save button and submit. Then if you go back to your profile again, you can see that it is already active. Now this is it. So this link, now when they click on this link now, it drives it directly to your Fiverr gig or Fiverr account. So that's one way you can really get your Fiverr gig promoted using Instagram account. But you know, one thing that really matters is the more followers you have, the more chances of people clicking on your gig or your link. So what do? You need to follow people who are in your niche. You don't just want to follow people for the following sake. Try to make sure they are follow people who are in the same niche with you. So imagine you are in the make money niche. Try to make sure you are following people who wants to make money like you too. People who are having the title make money online, how to earn money online, earn online, 5 ways to make money online. These kind of people you want to follow on the internet or in Instagram. What about if you are in logo designer? If you want to have a profile on logo, try to make sure you are following people who are already in logo niche, logo design, logo maker, logo creator. These are people you want to follow. The more you follow them, the more they like to follow you. So that anytime you make a post on logo or anytime you want to make a post on make money online, they would likely want to see what you've posted and click on your link to follow you. So you don't want to be a jack of all trades and master of none. Try to make sure you're in a particular niche. I'm just trying to give an advice right now that you don't want to make a post on how to make money online today. Tomorrow make a post on 5 things that trend on the internet. Then next month talk about politics. No, Instagram will not be able to make your post to be visible to those who are interested in your gig because you are just running from one post to another. What you want to do is to make sure that you are in one particular niche and stay there. But if you want to make another post on another niche, try to create another Instagram account and make sure you are on that niche. So if you are on make money niche, make sure that every post you're going to make here is about making money. If you see my post here right now, it's all about making money. Nothing else attached. You understand? So that's what I'm talking about. But if you want to talk about logo design, I'm going to create another Instagram account that talks about logo design. So everything about that Instagram account will be logo design. And if you want to follow people, I want to follow people on logo design. Those people will likely follow me back. Like you see here right now, I have about 9 posts, I have 54 followers, and now I am following 88 people. So the more people you follow, the more chances of you having others following you too. And when they follow you, when you make a post here, they will likely see you and like it and click on the link, and automatically they click on your Fiverr link, which will drive traffic to your Fiverr for free. You understand? So when you are following people too, try to make sure that you comment on their post too, like their post, comment, be interactive. And one thing that can help your Instagram to grow is when you post 1 or twice a day. Post 1 or twice a day in your Instagram account, and make sure you are making a post on the right niche. Don't just post for posting's sake. Make a post that is relevant to your niche. That is one way it can make your Instagram account to grow. It will make more sense if you do what I'm telling right now. People are doing this right now. People are doing this and they're having good results. But if you feel that you are too big, or maybe if you want to do things on your way, you may just be wasting your time. It's not too bad to do things on your way, but want to do it the right way, so that if it is working for others, it can work for you too. So don't get shy away. Do the right thing. Make attractive posts, attractive pictures, so that it can become attractive. And when they attract your audience, it becomes clickable. And when the audience click on it, that means traffic. So imagine you have about 54,000 followers or 5 million followers. You make a post, you can imagine the kind of turnout, the kind of millions of viewers, the kind of millions of clicks you're going to have in your Fiverr gig. It's as simple as that. So do well to make sure that you follow every tip I was giving you in this video, and you'll be glad to see more traffic to your Fiverr account for free of charge. If you have not done that, please do well to click on the subscribe button if I've made any sense to you, so that you'll be first to take action and be first to start making money from the internet, or you'll be the first to start getting good traffic using Instagram account. The other way to get free traffic to your Fiverr gig, you can share your Fiverr gig to your Pinterest, to your Quora, to your TikTok, just other ways for you to get free traffic from the internet. Like I talked about one here. Look at this one. This one talks about Fiverr free traffic using Pinterest. So you can use Pinterest too to drive traffic to your Fiverr account. So if you have not watched the video, if you have not watched the video before, do it to watch the video, so that you can get more free traffic. Apart from Instagram, you can get free traffic from Pinterest to your Fiverr account for free. Are you still there? Have you clicked on the subscribe button? Do it to click on the subscribe button as I give you more videos like this. Thanks for watching.